Hey Abhinandan, what happened?
Bro, this internet connection keep tracking my details, and I don't want that my privacy should be invaded. And I also don't want that my browsing should come out of hands like of advertisers and ISPs, and especially the speed, it sucks.
इस
Damn.
बात के लिए इतनी टेंशन क्यों ले रहा है? हम यहाँ पे आए किस लिए हैं? बनाते हैं इसके लिए कुछ कोड वोड? अरे अभी बुलाता हूँ करण को, करण के साथ मिलके बनाते हैं कुछ कोड.
Turn down for what? Turn down for what? Turn down for what?
Okay, so after that particular display of how we decided on our project, I would now explain what exactly it is. We are creating a VPS server through Tor browser service. What exactly is a VPN? Well, a VPN acts as a host between the client and the site and hence changing the IP address and location from which the site was accessed. Now, for the part of why Tor browser, it is because Tor is currently the safest security structure for anonymizing your IP address currently in the market. As for why did we choose this project, that is clear from the previous video. Basically, in today's world, each and everything that is accessible on the internet is accessible to a hacker, and hence there is no security or privacy. And so, one of the ways to tackle that is anonymizing yourself on the internet, which can be achieved by a Tor browser or a PiTor VPN.
If you have been thinking about trying out Tor to anonymize all your web browsing, you could just download a browser and give that a spin. But it's more fun to make your own highly portable proxy that can easily connect to on a web. Enter the Raspberry Pi. Tor is one of the easiest way to browse the internet anonymously. Though it comes at a cost of speed, in fact it is so abruptly slow that it's pretty difficult to use for basic internet browsing. But that doesn't mean it is not useful for other things. Since you likely don't want to use it all the time, a quick way to switch between Tor and the regular internet is handy. The Raspberry Pi can help here. First you need to turn a Raspberry Pi into an access point, like your own home router, much like a Wi-Fi hotspot, and then you install Tor on it, so that all the traffic that goes to the access point is anonymized. When you want to use Tor, you just connect to the Raspberry Pi's Wi-Fi network. When you don't, you can use whatever network you use manually. The Tor browser is always an option too. When you want to use Tor, you can just connect to the Raspberry Pi's Wi-Fi network. When you don't, you can use whatever network you use manually. The Tor browser is always an option too, but you might not want to install software on all your devices. This is also nice to keep around the house if you are the resident tech person, because it makes extremely simple to show someone what life would be like if actually decided to use Tor for their browsing. First difference in the protocol that a Wi-Fi uses and that the Raspberry Pi uses. Second, that Tor is blocked on a campus, so we had to take an extender with a LAN cable, use our own Wi-Fi hotspot to install Tor on it. Now, third and the biggest problem, setting up the whole setup. Now, our GD rooms did have TV with HDMI cable, but the LAN ports in the GD room were not working. So we had to set up our whole connection in the library with our own monitor and using the LAN port of the computers, and hence we were able to do the process. Thank you.